Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Roku using TV code, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, grab your Roku remote and turn on your TV. Once your TV is on, navigate to the Roku home screen. If you're not already signed in, select Settings from the menu. Scroll down and choose System. Next, select Screen Mirroring. Make sure screen mirroring is enabled. Now, take out your smartphone or tablet. Download and install the Roku mobile app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Open the Roku app on your mobile device. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. In the Roku app, select Devices at the bottom of the screen. Look for your Roku device listed on the screen and tap on it. Once connected, you will see a remote control interface. From there, press the Home button. Navigate to the Settings option once again. Select Link Devices under the Account section. Choose Get the Code or Link Code. Now, a TV code will be displayed on your TV screen. Write this code down or keep it visible on your screen. Next, return to the Roku mobile app. Tap on Link to proceed with the login process. Enter the TV code you noted down earlier. After entering the code, tap Submit. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful login. Congratulations, you are now logged into Roku using the TV code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.